These are 10 of the hottest Amazon tools that you're going to find under $50. Most under $30. Some of these even around $10. And if you stick around, there's some that are over $50, but they're on an incredible sale right now that you don't want to miss. Let's go. Before we get started, if you'd like to check out any of these tools, there's links in the description. I'll put them in the pinned comment as well. And of course, my TV viewers can scan that QR code, takes you right to my website so you can shop all these tools yourself. Now, let me show you what I found. This little gem right here is around $10. It's one of the hottest tools on Amazon right now, selling $5,000 in the last month. And if you don't have a little handsaw, this is a really good one to pick up. This is a Ru-Tool Japanese handsaw. It's not really a flush trim saw in that the teeth aren't really meant to go flush. As you can hear it kind of scraping that dowel there. But what this is really good for is cutting small parts, like dowels, different things like that. So if you have something small and you don't want to get your fingers too close to a spinning blade, this is a good option just to keep around the shop. It is razor sharp as well, and just a nice compact little saw for only 10 bucks. Next up, one of my absolute favorite budget miter gauges is the Vevor miter gauge right now. Right now today, you can get this for less than $50, which is an absolute steal on this. For what you're getting, there's so many features packed in. You got these positive detents from 0 all the way up to 70 degrees left or right, which is really great. This is also dead accurate. I tested at 90 degrees and 45 degrees. Perfect results right out of the gate. The great thing is you can adjust this to your miter slot and then make sure that it fits perfectly. And one of my favorite features is this micro adjustment stop block here. You can flip the stop block out of the way if you don't need it, but when you do need it, it does have a micro adjustment so you can dial in that exact perfect cut. For under $50, this is a screaming good deal. Next up, corner clamps for under $15. You got to pick up a set of these because if you're putting together boxes or even frames like cabinet frames, things like that, these will hold them in place while you get everything attached, especially for smaller projects like boxes and things like that. These are spring loaded, so they just basically spring clamp into the corners, and that way you can get those things attached. And again, for less than $15, you need a set. Next, one of the hottest products on Amazon right now is under $30, which is a really good price for this. This is the SKIL Twist. This is an electric screwdriver, and it includes all of the bits that you're going to need, including Phillips slotted or flathead, as we call them here. You got star drive, Torx drive, squares, all kinds of stuff here. What's really great about this thing is it's USB-C rechargeable, so most any of your phone chargers, things like that, will recharge it. This does have a pivoting head that will go down to a 45-degree angle, and this thing is so popular right now. Chandler, our social media manager here at 731, he took this home because he wanted it. This is really great if you have to put together various different things. I actually think this is very useful, so if you're doing like router-based changes and things like that, you don't want to over-torque those screws. This is where this comes in. It does have a forward and reverse button right there on the top, and again, it does pivot down to that 45, or you can do it at just like a straight. Very nice little product from SKIL, selling about 2,000 in the last month of these over at Amazon. You gotta check this out. Next up, the Mousecraft Grabber Pro. If you don't have a push block for your table saw like this is a solid one to pick up, and right now it's under $30, which is crazy. This thing is really great. I like the fact that the handle is slightly tilted, giving you a little bit better ergonomic handle or hold on that push block. And of course, it does have that leg that drops down, so if you're using different size material, it will basically give you a lot of stability to hold on to that material as you push through the cut. The bottom has a nice grippy surface on it, and then that center leg does move left and right, so you can basically adjust it to get over the blade, make that cut. Very safe, very good product for under $30. It's worth picking up. Next up, from Klein Tools. If you don't have a little mini ratchet like this, you got to check this one out. Comes with a nice bit holder and a socket adapter. I'll show you that in just a second. This is a standard ratchet, so you can just do righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but it has this nice little thumb wheel on there. So if you get into a really tight space, you can't actually move the ratchet. You can use that thumb wheel. It will fit any 1/4 inch size bits, so any of your driver bits will work. This is magnetic in there as well. But I do like the fact that we get this 1/4 inch adapter for 1/4 inch socket. So any of your 1/4 inch sockets will pop right in there, and then you can use this as a standard ratchet, just very small, compact size, perfect for small spaces. Oh, and it's under $15 right now. Next up, hand planes. If you don't have a couple of these around the shop, they're extremely handy. This one under $30. This one under $15. This little mini hand plane is super cool. If you need to just take a tiny bit off, like micro dial in something, this is the one to get. Again, under $15. I think it's around $11 or $12 right now. just an extremely good value to have. The next one, a little block plane, under $30 from Jorgensen. Both of these from Jorgensen. This is really great if you just need to clean up the edge of a board or something like that. Very sharp right out of the gate, and of course, very budget friendly. Who's your daddy? Battery Daddy right here. This is one of the hottest selling products on Amazon right now for good reason. When I bought this, my wife said, I'm taking it, and she has had it ever since. This is basically a battery organizer. This is under $20 right now, and it does not include the batteries, but it does include a battery tester. So if you have a battery and you're like, is this thing any good? I don't know. It will absolutely check the voltage of that battery and let you know if that's a good battery, which it does include that, and I am glad of it. You can sort D size, C size, AA's, AAA's, 9 volts, everything you need right here. And if you flip it over, there's an entire rack of AA sorting right there. And again, for under $20, I can see why 9,000 of these have sold in the last month, because it's nice. Here's a bonus pick for you. Under $10, one of the best little organizers you can get for your shop. It's a little DeWalt small parts organizer. It's usually around $7 or $8. Makes a really good value because you can store bits like driver bits and things like that in it, or even screws, bolts, nuts, stuff like that, or even throw some router bits in it. Really nice little set. It's also part of the Tough Case series, so you can actually stack and lock those other boxes on there. Really good value. Next up, some of the best drawer organizers that are extremely budget friendly are on for under $25. I have had these for a long time. Check this out. So right here in this drawer, I have a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm able to keep it nice and organized because of these organizers. They come in various sizes, so this entire kit will include the bigger sizes and the smaller sizes, as well as those little squares. Really good for helping you organize all kinds of stuff. I've been using these forever in my drawers. It just helps you keep everything nice and organized so you can actually find stuff and you don't wind up with a junk drawer like that. Next up, a set of DeWalt chisels, only $20, right around $20, an extremely good value because you get 3 different size chisels. They're sharp right out of the box. Of course, you can sharpen them up and keep them sharp. Just a good value. Everybody needs a set of chisels, 20 bucks, hard to pass up. Now, there are a few tools here that are over $50, but they're on such a screaming good deal, I have to tell you about them, and they're probably gonna go off sale in the next 2 days, so keep an eye on that. This is a woodpecker's edge rule. If you've never seen these, they're very genius, actually. I like these. These were my first woodpecker's tools. They're on a crazy sale right now. Woodpecker's tools never go on sale. You get the full set. I think it's 6, 12, 24, and 36-inch size ruler. But what I really like about these is they hook onto the edge of a board, so you can actually use these as a shoulder square if you wanted to. So you can carry that mark around. Because of the way these angle down toward the surface, there is no parallax effect, so you can get really precise measurements. And of course, there are measurements on each side. Makes these things extremely nice to have in the shop. And again, all sizes you're gonna need, 6, 12, 24, and 36. Hard to pass up this deal if you're a Woodpeckers fan. If you're not, and you don't really care about the Woodpeckers brand, I will link to another set that doesn't have as many sizes, but they're only 20 bucks, so hard to beat that too. But they are off-brand. Also, the Woodpecker's T-Square is on sale for 15% off currently at the time of this filming. The unique thing about this, there's a couple of ledges right there that won't let it tip if you set it on the edge of a piece of plywood or sheet good, and it just glides along like that. It's also dead square, so if you do need to draw square lines or anything like that, you can do that. And of course, you do have those indexing holes right there that allows you to draw parallel lines. This is one of the better layout tools if you want precision and you don't mind spending the extra money, but it is 15% off currently. Another tool that you don't want to pass up right now that's $100 off, my favorite drill, the DeWalt XR drill. This is a hammer drill. This has the anti-rotation feature, so if it does get bound up and twist, it will stop the motor, and then you can just start over by releasing the trigger. This does have that light on the bottom that is extremely bright. Lots of torque settings here. This is a 3-speed drill as well, and for the price of this, $100 off right now. And it does include an 8 amp hour power pack battery and a charger. It's one of the better deals I've seen right now. So if you want one of these, you better grab it because this won't last long. Also, keep in mind these prices are valid at the time of this filming. They could change at any time, so check those links for current pricing. If you like this video, you'll love those Amazon tools right there, all budget friendly. You gotta go check them out. Click that box, click in the box, get you the big old virtual fist bump.